Good morning, class. Happy Monday. Let's start our day by doing the daily attendance, please. And then we'll scroll down to this week's folder and we'll open it. Here's Monday. It's November 2nd. Can you believe it? It's November. And today's a C day. We're going to start by doing our Google Meet together. You're going to do the daily attendance form and your bell ringer. And then we're going to continue talking about cells. Last week we talked about the cell theory. Now we're going to move on and talk about cell types, all the different types of cells. And we will do this as a live lesson, so we'll discuss it on our Google Meet, and it'll be using Google Slides. And for homework tonight, actually the lesson that we're doing, it'll probably take 2 periods, so we won't quite finish all of it today. But tonight you will have a homework just with a few questions about today's lesson. And I'm going to recommend that I've set these homeworks to be unlimited as far as how many times you can do them. So you can keep retaking these homeworks as many times as you want, and it'll keep your highest score. So you could get 100, easy. And then a reminder on your homework that all of your back work, missing labs, those are due by Wednesday midnight. I will take your work until then. After that, I will not take late work for the first marking period. Some of this new work that we're doing, like tonight's homework, will be on the second marking period. But I want you guys finishing up. Your due dates aren't going to be so flexible in the second marking period. So get caught up now for the first marking period, and then we'll stay caught up for the second marking period. As far as lab goes, we're going to be making shrinky dink cells. This is our C and F group. And the instructions are in your lab folder. I'll show you that shortly. Let's go into Monday's folder just so you can see. We've got our bell ringer, we've got the cell type lesson, and then your mini homework. As far as the lesson goes, like I said, it's going to be a Google Sheet or a Google Doc in the Google Slide format. You will be submitting it tomorrow after we're done talking about it. It'll be due ultimately by Wednesday, but we should finish it in class tomorrow, and you should be able to submit it tomorrow. So let me go back and show you the lab. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Lab 10, Shrinky Dink Cells. We will join for a Google Meet today, so today is the 2nd, and I will walk you through how to draw plant and animal cells on your shrink sheets. And then when you're done, if you folks are at home, you're going to be using your toaster oven or your regular oven to shrink your shrinky dinks. So the instructions are here in case you missed part of the Google Meet, and this is how to draw your plant and animal cells, and then your shrinking instructions for the oven. So that's all we have for today. Have a great day.